In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a page background in Microsoft Word. Adding a page background is a simple way to make your documents more visually appealing and professional. Whether you are creating a flyer, a report cover, an invitation, or any type of creative document, applying a background can help your page stand out and give it a more polished appearance. Microsoft Word provides several built-in tools that allow you to add colors, patterns, or even images as the background of your document. To begin, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once the document is open, make sure you are on the page where you want to apply the background. If you plan to apply the same background to the entire document, you can simply start from the beginning of the file. Next, move to the top of the window and select the Design tab on the ribbon. This tab contains several options that allow you to control the overall appearance of your document. Within the Design tab, look for a section called Page Background. This section includes tools that allow you to customize how your page looks. Inside the Page Background group, click the option labeled Page Color. When you select it, a color palette will appear, showing a variety of preset colors that you can use as your page background. Simply click on any color to instantly apply it to the page. This is the fastest way to add a background color to your document. If you would like more customization options, select the More Colors option from the palette. This allows you to choose from a wider range of colors and create a background that better matches the style of your document. In addition to solid colors, Microsoft Word also allows you to apply special effects to the background. To access these options, select Fill Effects from the Page Color menu. A new window will appear, giving you additional choices such as gradients, textures, patterns, or even pictures that can be used as the page background. For example, if you want to use an image as the background, choose the Picture option within the Fill Effects window. From there, you can browse your computer and select an image file that will be placed behind the text on your page. After selecting your preferred background style, confirm the selection and the background will be applied to the document. You can always return to the Page Color option later if you want to change or remove the background. Using page backgrounds is a great way to enhance the visual design of your documents while still keeping your content clear and readable. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.